You can avoid 90% of your investing mistakes by making sure that you invest in the right investment product. Here's the list. In equity, the best way to invest is using equity mutual funds. What you avoid as a retail investor is small case and PMS. In fixed income, the best way to invest is typically using your post office schemes, FDs from small finance bank or debt mutual funds, and you avoid everything that pays you 4-5% higher than fixed deposit because it definitely has some risk that you don't understand. In gold, the best way to invest is gold mutual funds or sovereign gold bonds, and what you should typically avoid is physical gold and digital gold. In life insurance, the only product that you really need is term insurance, which does not pay you anything back on survival. Everything else in insurance is a loud avoid. Thank you so much.